Claire started a new job in the year 2000. Every year her boss evaluates salary based on her performance. Claire's annual salary, T years after 2000, is modeled by this function, times the natural logarithm of T plus 1. Declan also started in 2000. Every year his boss evaluates his work and adjusts his salary based on his performance. Declan's annual salary after 2000, T years after 2000, is modeled by this table. The question is, which employee had a greater average rate of change in pay between 2001 and 2004? Well, the nice thing is that we can look at the chart pretty easy. Remember that the rate of change is going to be, the average rate of change is going to be the slope. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this ordered pair of 1, 45,623.83, and then 2004 here is going to be, sorry, I had to pause the video for a second. Again, we're going from here to here for 2001 to 2004. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip over to Desmos and we're going to type in that function. The one that I had trouble with is that I didn't notice the natural log right away. So the ln, when we type it into Desmos, we can just come over here and we can type that in. So it's 40,000 plus 1,000. I don't even have to go to the functions. I can just type in, you can just type in ln if you're on the computer. So I have to go to miscellaneous and then ln. And then instead of t plus 1, I'm going to type in x plus 1. I can't see anything on the graph, and in fact you can't even see anything that I typed in there. But I don't need that. What I need is to get the values for 2001 and for 2004. So I'm going to go to the year, see the value for 2001. It's the 40,193.147, which I rounded to 0.15, I believe. And then I can type in a 4, and it does the calculation for us, 41,609, and then again I rounded to 0.44 because we are dealing with money. So we only want 2 decimal spaces to do that. So I think I have those points written down on my paper here. And once again, I want to remind you that the average rate of change is slope, and the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here's x1, here's y1, here's x2 and y2. Same thing here. Here's x1, here's y1, here's x2 and y2. And we can fill them in. So 46,448.49 minus 45,623 divided by 4 minus 1. That's one of our calculations. Our other calculation here is going to be 41,609.44 minus 1,693.15 over 4 minus 1. So the blue is Declan, the green is Claire. Since I've got Desmos here, roughly, I think I can do it. I can actually do the green pretty easy because it's right there on the screen. So if I go to this here, again, it's going to be 40,000. That's not what I want. I want 41,000. 41,609 minus 40,693.15. I might need parentheses around that. Divided by, and then 4 minus 1, 305.43. 305.43. The other one I'll show you in a minute. 46,448.49 minus 45,623.83 divided by 4 minus 1. Oh dear. So I typed that in. We get 274.88. Which means that 305.43 is the bigger number. And again, that was coming from the equation here that we used, and that is clear.